vehicles will impact. This article is optimized for generating a 10-minute video using NVIDIA AI. The future of autonomous electric vehicles. What to expect by 2025 ### intro 0 o'clock 1 o'clock. In the near future, autonomous electric vehicles, AEVs, are set to revolutionize the way we travel. By 2025, these vehicles will become an integral part of daily life, combining self-driving technology with sustainable electric power. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into how autonomous electric vehicles work, the many benefits they offer, and how they'll change our cities and daily commutes forever. Get ready to explore the future of transportation. ###1. What are autonomous electric vehicles? 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Autonomous electric vehicles represent a major step forward in automotive technology. These vehicles combine two groundbreaking innovations: self-driving capabilities and electric power. Electric powertrain. Unlike conventional cars, autonomous electric vehicles, AEVs, use electric motors powered by batteries, which reduces their environmental impact. They don't rely on fossil fuels, helping to eliminate harmful emissions. Self-driving technology. These vehicles are equipped with sensors, cameras, and AI-driven algorithms that allow them to drive autonomously without the need for a human driver. Vehicle to everything, V2X. AEVs can communicate with other vehicles, traffic signals, and infrastructure to ensure smoother traffic flow and avoid accidents. These innovative features set autonomous electric vehicles apart, making them a cleaner and safer option for the future of transportation. ###2. How do autonomous electric vehicles work? 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. To understand the significance of AEVs, we need to break down how they work. Battery-powered. AEVs are powered by lithium-ion batteries that store electrical energy. The electric motor converts this energy into motion, making the vehicle more efficient and cleaner than traditional gasoline-powered cars. Advanced sensors, equipped with LiDAR, radar, and cameras, autonomous cars can detect obstacles, pedestrians, and other vehicles. These sensors allow the car to see its surroundings in real time and make decisions. Artificial intelligence. The AI system processes data from the vehicle's sensors and takes control of critical tasks like steering, acceleration, and braking. It reacts faster than a human driver, improving safety and efficiency. Vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-infrastructure. AEVs use V2X communication to connect with other cars and traffic infrastructure, enabling them to make decisions based on real-time data about road conditions and traffic patterns. AEVs combine electric power with advanced AI systems, ensuring smoother, safer, and more efficient driving. ###3 Environmental impact of autonomous electric vehicles, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. One of the biggest advantages of autonomous electric vehicles is their environmental impact. Zero emissions. Since AEVs run on electricity, they produce no tailpipe emissions, which helps to combat air pollution and reduce carbon footprints. Energy efficiency. Electric motors are more efficient than combustion engines, converting a higher percentage of energy from the battery into actual movement. Sustainable power. As renewable energy sources like solar and wind become more prevalent, the energy used to power AEVs will continue to become cleaner. Less noise pollution. Without an internal combustion engine, AEVs are quieter, contributing to a more peaceful environment in cities. With their zero-emission operation, autonomous electric vehicles are a cleaner, greener solution for urban mobility. ###4 Key benefits of autonomous electric vehicles, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. The integration of autonomous and electric technologies offers several benefits. Cost-effective. AEVs generally cost less to maintain than traditional vehicles. They have fewer moving parts, don't require oil changes, and benefit from low electricity costs compared to gasoline. Improved safety. Autonomous driving technology can drastically reduce accidents caused by human error. AI and sensors allow these cars to react faster than human drivers to emergencies. Convenience. With self-driving capabilities, passengers can use their time more efficiently during commutes. You can work, relax, or even sleep while the car drives you to your destination. Smoother, quieter ride. AEVs offer a smoother and quieter ride than traditional cars thanks to electric propulsion. The instant torque from the electric motor also ensures a responsive and enjoyable driving experience. These benefits make autonomous electric vehicles not just a cleaner, but a more practical and enjoyable choice for the future. ###5 The impact on urban mobility in cities, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Autonomous electric vehicles will have a significant impact on how cities and urban mobility evolve. Reduce traffic congestion. With V2X communication and autonomous driving, these vehicles can adjust their speed and routes to minimize congestion. This will lead to faster commutes and less traffic. Smart cities. Autonomous electric vehicles will play a central role in the development of smart cities. Connected infrastructure, like smart traffic lights and autonomous lanes, will optimize how people move within cities. Shared mobility. More people will likely use shared autonomous vehicles, reducing the need for individual car ownership and helping to alleviate parking problems and urban sprawl. AEVs will help shape smarter, more efficient and sustainable cities with a focus on shared mobility and optimized traffic flow. #6. Charging infrastructure for autonomous electric vehicles, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. The success of autonomous electric vehicles depends on the development of robust charging infrastructure. Fast charging stations. High-speed charging stations will enable AEVs to recharge quickly, reducing downtime and making long-distance travel more practical. Wireless charging. Emerging wireless charging technologies may allow vehicles to charge without needing to physically plug in, further increasing convenience. Home charging. Many consumers will install home charging stations, enabling them to charge overnight and start each day with a full battery. Global charging networks. Expanding the charging infrastructure globally will ensure that AEVs are always able to charge when needed, wherever they are. As the charging infrastructure grows, autonomous electric vehicles will become more accessible and convenient for everyday use. #7. Consumer benefits, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. For consumers, AEVs offer numerous advantages. Lower operating costs. With no gasoline and fewer maintenance needs, autonomous electric vehicles are cheaper to own and operate than traditional cars. Enhanced safety. With features like automatic braking, collision avoidance, and lane assistance, AEVs are designed to keep passengers safe, especially in emergency situations. Increased comfort. Since AEVs don't require the driver to focus on the road, passengers can relax, work, or enjoy entertainment during their commute. Access for all. These vehicles will be especially useful for elderly or disabled individuals who may have difficulty driving traditional vehicles. Autonomous electric vehicles offer a cost-effective, safe, and comfortable transportation experience. #8. The challenges ahead, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Despite the potential, there are still challenges to address. Regulation and legislation. Governments need to create clear regulations for the safe operation of autonomous vehicles on public roads. Public perception. Many people remain skeptical about autonomous technology, and it will take time for the public to embrace fully self-driving vehicles. Technology limitations. While autonomous technology has made great strides, challenges remain, particularly in complex driving conditions and adverse weather. As the technology continues to mature, these challenges will be addressed, ensuring that autonomous electric vehicles can be safely integrated into everyday life. #9. Conclusion 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. In conclusion, autonomous electric vehicles are on the verge of transforming the future of transportation. These cars offer a wide range of environmental, economic, and social benefits, including reduced emissions, lower costs, and enhanced safety. With technological advancements, expanding infrastructure, and the continued push for sustainability, autonomous electric vehicles are poised to become a central part of our daily lives by 2025. The future of transportation is cleaner, safer, and more efficient, thanks to autonomous electric vehicles. This script is structured for a 10-minute video on NVIDIA AI. Would you like to explore how autonomous vehicles will impact? In conclusion, autonomous electric vehicles are on the verge of transforming the future of transportation. The future of transportation is cleaner, safer, and more efficient thanks to autonomous electric vehicles.